What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to my channel. In this video specifically, I am going to be revealing the exact strategy behind how I make money from meme coins without risking anything. And by the way, bro, I do not trade meme coins. Most people in this space are trading meme coins and they're on the wrong side of the market. They are entering coins and then they're getting dumped on minutes later. So for that reason, I would highly recommend to stay away from trading, but I would highly recommend to start deving. I create meme coins and I make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month by doing that. I just find narratives, I launch it, and then I cash out, and I do that over and over again. Today I am giving you the complete method live for free. I will show you how to find narratives and then how to create a meme coin, all in this video for completely free. I will do a live launch for the second half of the video to show you how it's done. Let's go. And by the way, guys, I've made M's from launching meme coins, so I do know what I'm talking about. I'm the only guy on this app making guides on how to dev meme coins, so keep watching if you want to learn my strategy. Now before we get to creating meme coins, you need to understand the overall market. You guys need to know that 91% of all meme coins, when they pump, right, they will eventually just go down to zero, because that's exactly how meme coins are moving nowadays. They pump and then dump, or they pump and then they just trickle down and they dry out. Because the truth is that these meme coins, they hold no value. The only value they have is attention, right? But eventually that attention, that community will die out and people will just sell their coins. So for that reason, bro, you need to be a dev and you guys have to stop trading, because most of the time if you hold out a trade, it will go down and you'll basically lose money. So become a dev, bro, because us as devs, we are losing nothing. We are launching these coins hoping for traders to buy our coin, and then we just sell our supply from the very top and we have nothing to risk at all. It costs like nothing to create these coins, so that's exactly what makes this insane. You have unlimited tries and you just need one coin to go absolutely viral and parabolic to change the trajectory of your port. So for that reason, bro, I would highly recommend to start deving. That's exactly why I'm making this video. Okay, I will show you my exact strategy that I use every single day to make thousands of dollars from deving. I will show you exactly how I find narratives and then how I create a coin. Everything will be done in this video for completely free. Let's get straight into it. By the way, bro, I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. Everything is for educational purposes only. Keep that in mind. Let's go. Now guys, when you're launching a meme coin, bro, do not make the mistake of launching on Pump.Fun, because it's over competitive. If you make a meme coin here, no one is going to buy it, okay? And 9 times out of 10 it will just dry out. Like, look at this, it's over flooded. A bunch of people are launching here. Just don't waste your time here, bro. Instead, launch where I launch. I make my coins on Radium, which is the same thing as the migration section. Basically, bro, when a coin migrates, it usually gets a bunch of attention, and that attention can turn into a bunch of buyers, right, if you get lucky, and also if you have a decent narrative. So that's why I make my coins on Radium. It just has more potential to go higher, so that's why I launch here. Now, to make a meme coin on Radium, bro, you have to be using the website called launchmemes.io. By making your coins here, your coin will go to Radium immediately, and that's why a bunch of people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin here. It's really easy. It's up to you. You could either create a coin from scratch. That is the first strategy. It's the same exact thing as Pump.Fun. If you want to create a brand new narrative out of scratch, well, you can make it here, right? Or you can use their free X tracker. This can be extremely profitable if you know what you're looking for, so you can turn tweets into coins. Now, for example, if Trump made a tweet, you could be the first one to create that coin, and if that coin goes viral, you're printing and yeah, it's done. Okay, so that is one method. Or you can use my favorite method, which is actually the copy trending coin strategy. It's the same thing as vamping. All these coins that you are seeing right here are all going viral on Pump.Fun, or they went viral before, and we are just going to be launching a coin from here back to Radium by copying a coin here, okay? And we are going to be taking advantage of the viralness of these coins. But anyways, guys, let's make some money. I will do a live launch right now to see how much we can make live right now. Keep watching, take your notes out, or I just want your attention, okay? So yeah, so click your phantom white, right, and let's vamp a meme coin. Just go for a random meme coin, go for one, try it out. That's exactly what I do. All these coins are good anyways, so I'm gonna just refresh a second time, okay? I'm gonna go for alpaca, why not? Click on copy the iridium, your phantom is going to show up, right? Ignore that warning, it's completely normal, okay? Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox here, confirm, and the coin will be minted, okay? Just wait a couple seconds, it should be actually created. Bang, and yeah, now it's minted, okay? It's on the Solana blockchain, it's live, okay? Here's the proof. Now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is really simple, just follow along. We're creating the pool like that your meme coin can go to Iridium and get a bunch of buyers, yada yada yada. So for the amount of supply, click on 90%. This preset, okay, is what you should do on all your launches. For the dev buy right under, here you have to put anywhere in between 0.3 to 0.5 SOL. Put anywhere in between that, it should be perfect, okay? So 0.3 is what I'm going to do. Sometimes you can put, 1.2 SOL, but anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL is good. This is important like that you have supply in your coin and you can make money, okay? And also, if you want to get this back, you can. Once you remove the liquidity pool, it will come back to you, so it's not a big deal, okay? Click on create pool. Your phantom will show up, ignore that block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then now the coin will be actually live, okay? So yeah, boom, click on refresh, and yeah, it's live. People can buy our coin. That's exactly what we like. Now let's go see the chart, or if you want, click on refresh, and yeah, we're already up $197. That is a good sign. That means people are buying in. Let's go see our chart to see if people are aping in, okay? It should. Let me go on the 1 second time frame actually. Okay, bang! It's already pumping a lot. Bang! We're getting buyers left and right. This is exactly what I mean, guys. Yeah, we're up a lot of money, okay? This is insane, okay? Now, all you have to do from now on is let your coin pump, let people buy it, let people see it, let people marinate in your coin, okay? And by the way, you have nothing to lose, okay? Even if it goes to zero, well, you're still at break even, okay? You lost nothing, okay, except your time. And yeah, just don't be emotional, let your coin pump, okay? If you want to maximize the entire profits, well, you have to let the coin pump, okay? So I'm gonna be right back. When I come back, I will show you how to cash out on this meme coin. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, our meme coin is going decently well, okay? Like, this is good, okay? This is like an average launch that you would do, for example. But yeah, let's go see how much we're up now. Okay, come back to launch memes.io, click on refresh, and okay, we're up 2.5k. That's insane. What the fuck? But yeah, let's cash out before it goes down. Click on the minus button, do 100% if you want to. Remove liquidity. Your phantom is going to show up. Ignore, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then it should be fully cashed out in front of your face. I am not even capping. Bang! We just cashed out $2,500 straight inside my phantom wallet. And yeah, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I am not capping. I'm not here to sell you anything, okay? I do not have any affiliate code, affiliate link, nothing.